MUTHUGANIRUA wa Ikuu Bia Kware Collins Khalusa NTUKU ya Narua ni akinyithitwe koti kuthitangwa na Ikuu Bia ekuru 42 baria aumburite wengwa kwithira aboragite. Koti ni athite MUTHUGANIRUA uju gwita na mbere kurigirwa rumande wa NTUKU ingi 39 kwa borithi kanya gukinyaniria uchunkuni nkuruki. Anthony Kathenya na ripoti ije.
NTUKU mutunyume mutongirwa gitengo gyo sunkuni kia DCI Amin Mohamed bagwatanirite na inspector muneno wa polisi Mogwateri Douglas Kanja kuleta weroni MUTHUGANIRUA muneno wa Ikuu Bia Kware amuji muneno wa Nairobi.
We are dealing with a serial killer, a psychopathic serial killer who has no respect for human life.
Muthenyomde MUTHUGANIRUA ju Collins Khalusa nethirwa gikinywa kotini mathamaro kira kinywa kotini ya Kiambu ende kotini ya Kiambu gwitukira mugambithano Peter Oko ya murethirwa gikinywa kotini ya Makadara kulethirwa gikinywa thaa 8 jia muthenya. Obisi ya mugambithane munene ikirombaga koti gwitikire MUTHUGANIRUA ju ingiro wa NTUKU kathumba usunkuni bwae bukithijaga na mbele. Kotini ya Makadara aitha nithirwa gitikirie romba riri na kuruta watho ati Collins Khalusa aingiro wa NTUKU 30 jejete. Aitha koti ino etelithe gituo kia polisi kila kaingirwa nontu boikari bwae. MUTHUGANIRUA ju utuku bwae goro alaletwo ni kia polisi kia giri. Amonogo wakili John Maina ole no wakili wa MUTHUGANIRUA ju ni ameneretie tagari lile la kuingirwa kwa Collins kwa mweri omwe jete na kuga obisi ya DCI na ile inspector muneno wa polisi muthenya goro ni balona nilio shahidi bwa kwigana kwambirie Igamba lile na kuga gutino bataru no bweko bwa gwetera mweri onge omwe.
What was paraded yesterday is enough to proceed with the trial. Remember that the respondent, as per now, is under police custody. What goes around, nobody knows. So the manner and the circumstances in which he gave the confession, we cannot talk of now at this moment. What they are seeking under miscellaneous application is to seek more days. Yet yesterday you saw the acting Inspector General and the counterpart DCI parading some purported incriminating evidence. Why would they do that yesterday? Yet today they are coming with a miscellaneous application seeking more days. I think it's time Kenyans be told the truth. Let's know the truth. It's best to give him a chance. Let the due process of the law take place.
Mamuji muneno Nairobi, Mbeta Anthony, Rangi wa Kathenya.